You want him to speak or not?
Look, this is only for, this house is only for them.
What is
This
this
is not
here?
for us. What is
What
this?
is this thing? What
This
you are
house is
saying?
only for
Yes,
them.
letter is there.
No, one second.
And what you are saying?
Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated one second.
You are not understanding.
No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar?
What is this?
This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar. What is this yar? No, you cannot address the chair by saying yar. No. Please take back your word. You can't say chair yar. No. You cannot. No. Honorable LOP is standing on his feet to speak. You are not allowing him to speak. माननीय राहुल गांधी जी आप बोलिएगा. No. Please allow him to speak. 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 No.
चेयरमैन साहब यार कह दिया तो क्या हो गया? क्या आफत आ गई है?
No, not correct. No. There is a quorum. Not correct. That is not true. There should be a quorum of the house. There should be a quorum of the house. There should be respect to the chair. You should know how to behave. No, not correct. Honorable Rahul ji, please speak. Please continue to speak.
Speaker, sir, if the issue is about me quoting a magazine, which I have authenticated, I am happy not to quote it directly. No problem. But I have to be allowed to speak about it.
Yeah.
Honorable LOP,
You have,
Shri
Speaker,
Rahul
sir.
Gandhi ji,
Chairman,
please
sir.
listen.
Chairman, sir.
You have been given permission to speak on the Honorable President's speech.
I am speaking
What
on
are you telling? What permission are telling to LOP?
Speaker, sir.
and yesterday-
Sir, Speaker, sir.
and yesterday-
One second. Speaker, sir.
Permit
Sir,
him to
Speaker,
speak.
sir.
What is this?
Sir, Speaker,
Sir.
1 second.
Sir.
1 second. Speaker, sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable Speaker has
It
given
is
a
not a
ruling.
permission that I am being given, Speaker, sir.
Yeah. That's why
I am not being given a permission.
What is the permission?
I am the leader of opposition of this country. You are not giving me permission. It is my
Under
right.
Rule 349, under Rule 349, no. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give opportunity to others to speak. If you don't want LOP to speak, I will have to give opportunity to others to speak.